Are you facing a problem? Well, log in and sign up in ChatGPT. Follow complete step for a solution. Search ChatGPT OpenAI in Google Chrome. Sign up by using your Google account. Enter your name and continue the process. Use your mobile number, you will get a code. Now the sign-up process has been completed, and you can search any kinds of question easily and get answer in just a second. Like you can also see on screen how to search.